Video creation is advancing at lightning speed, and with cutting-edge AI models like Sora-2 and Veo 3, the possibilities are endless. But let's be honest, traditional AI video tools often leave you juggling multiple platforms and dealing with inconsistent results. You end up more like a prompt engineer than a true director. That's where Flova AI changes the game. It's not just another AI video generator, it's the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. Flova AI truly understands your vision. Instead of throwing random clips at you, it listens and then brings together top-tier AI models like Sora-2, Veo 3, Seedance Pro, and more, all working harmoniously on your idea. This means you get full control and perfect consistency, making the complex simple and your creative process smooth and intuitive. For both beginners and seasoned creators, Flova AI transforms complexity into creativity, making you the true director of your cinematic journey. Flova AI intelligently selects the best model for each task, ensuring top-notch results. So let's dive into the magic of Flova in action. To get started, simply click the link in the description, sign up, and you're all set. All right, let's start from scratch so you can clearly see why I'm saying Flova AI is different and more powerful than other AI tools. Instead of just talking about features, let's begin by creating a mini film from zero, step by step, so you can see the real difference in action. I've chosen a fun and unique concept, an astronaut visiting a cozy cafe on the moon, where they stumble upon a mysterious glowing floor. As soon as I input the concept, Flova AI instantly generates a professional creative brief. This brief gives me a clear overview of what my video will look like. For example, the video type is a narrative story set in a cozy lunar cafe, and the narrative drive is centered around our astronaut's discovery. The brief also outlines the emotional tone, the visual style, pacing, sound design, narration style, and even the target audience. Now, instead of guiding me to manually create a script, Flova automatically understands the concept and moves straight into generating the storyboard for our mini-film. It analyzes everything for me and creates a complete storyboard that includes key elements, important segments, narration, flow, and even the music style. Once the storyboard is ready, I can review it and make changes if I want. Of course, Flova's intelligence already does an excellent job, so in most cases, everything looks perfect. But if I want to adjust any segment, I can easily do that. After the storyboard is finalized, Flova takes things even further. It analyzes the entire storyboard and automatically starts preparing the visual generation part. It designs the characters, plans the main scenes, and even decides which AI models are best for video generation. I don't need to worry about technical choices at all. At this point, I can just sit back and relax because Flova handles everything for me. Once the storyboard and visual gen path is ready, I can then move on to designing the key characters and elements. For example, design the key characters. In just a few seconds, Flova will generate these assets, and I can then tweak the look and feel to match my vision. Finally, with the storyboard and characters in place, the next step Flova suggests is designing the shots for the first segment. As a complete beginner, I honestly don't know how many shots I should use, which camera angles work best, or how to plan a cinematic scene properly. So once again, I decide to fully trust Flova. I simply copy the suggested prompt and ask Flova to design the shots for the opening segment of our story. As soon as I press enter, Flova starts working. Within seconds, it designs multiple shots for the first segment. The first shot is a wide-angle scene that clearly establishes the environment, showing the lunar surface outside and our astronaut sitting inside the cafe. Right away, you understand where the story is happening. The next shot is a close-up that focuses on the astronaut, capturing movement, suit details, and emotion, which instantly adds a cinematic feel. After that, Flova generates another detailed shot that highlights the cafe interior, the lighting, reflections, and a beautiful view of our Earth planet. Once the shots are ready, the next logical step is animation. Again, I don't touch any complicated settings. I simply copy the prompt and ask Flova to animate the scenes. After I press enter, Flova begins creating the video. In just a few moments, it generates fully animated clips based on the shots we just designed. You can clearly see 3 different animated scenes: a wide shot showing the astronaut the lunar cafe, a close-up shot where the astronaut is walking and observing the surroundings, and another cinematic shot that emphasizes atmosphere, lighting, and motion. What's really impressive here is that Flova automatically selects the best AI model for this type of scene. In this case, it chooses a model like Seedance 1.5 Pro because it understands that this model works best for cinematic motion and environmental shots. And even though everything is automated, I still have full control. If I don't like a shot, I can change it. If I want a different camera angle or mood, I can simply prompt it. I can even switch to another AI model if I want. Once I'm happy with the initial shots, I have 3 options. I can design keyframes for the next scene, generate the narration and background music, or create a preview assembly. For full creative control, I choose to generate the scenes one by one. This lets me review each scene carefully and instantly regenerate anything that feels off before moving forward. As the scenes come together, every shot clearly captures the cozy atmosphere of the lunar cafe. If I want to adjust lighting, refine the character, or even switch the AI model, I can do that at any time. Flova keeps everything under my control, making sure the final mini-film looks exactly the way I imagined. As we look at all these beautifully structured shots, the next step is to bring them to life with narration and music. I can simply ask Flova to create the narration and the background music, and then to compile everything into the final video. Once I press enter, Flova will handle the rest. Flova immediately starts generating everything for my video: the narration, the voice, and the background music. In just a short time, all the audio elements are ready. Now comes the final step: assembling the rough cut on the timeline. Flova automatically suggests the next process, and here I choose the first option: assemble the rough cut. Once I click it, the timeline starts building on its own. In no time, I'll have a rough cut of the complete scenes presented in a proper editing timeline. You'll see that Flova has generated a voiceover for the narrator, and it has also added environmental sound effects to enrich the atmosphere. This means that I can review each element separately, make adjustments if needed, and then update them directly in the timeline. Let me quickly play what Flova has created so far.
For so long, a symbol of beautiful desolation. On mission log 734, I was just another ghost drifting across its surface.
You'll notice how the narration perfectly matches the visuals and how the music and sound effects blend seamlessly with the lunar cafe ambiance. And if I want to fine-tune anything, I have the freedom to do so, ensuring that the final video is exactly what I envisioned.
Until I saw it. Not a mirage, but a warm light promising refuge. Inside, the silence of space was replaced by a strange, impossible peace. It felt like a memory of a home I'd never known, but this sanctuary held a secret. It started as a whisper of light beneath my feet, a quiet pulse in the dark. My mission training screamed caution, but human curiosity screamed louder. The floor came alive, blooming into a river of light, a silent cosmic language written in patterns of purple and blue. It wasn't a warning, it felt like an awakening. As I reached out, the light danced, welcoming. The greatest discoveries are not the ones we seek, but the ones that find us. What story has been waiting, dormant, on the quiet face of the moon?
Wow, that's so nice. The background music complements the atmosphere perfectly, and the visuals look incredibly high quality. It's amazing how everything comes together, creating that immersive lunar cafe ambiance. What's even better is that Flova presents everything in a proper editing timeline. This means I can easily customize and replace clips, rearrange their order, and adjust the voiceover as needed. Every element is fully editable and customizable, giving me complete control over the creative process. Unlike other AI video tools that produce a final product with little room for adjustments, Flova respects my creative intent. It's built for creators, offering flexibility and control. For professionals, this means you can make quick cuts directly on the timeline, or use the quick project export feature, making the entire workflow smooth and efficient. Overall, I'm genuinely excited about how this tool empowers creators, ensuring that every detail aligns perfectly with my vision. With Flova, exporting your video is incredibly simple. You can just click the quick export feature, and Flova will generate the final video or even export the project file in just a few clicks. The video will be downloaded in MP4 format, so you can easily use it in any editing software you prefer. This level of control and flexibility is truly unmatched when it comes to AI video creation. By signing up through the link in the description, you will get 200 credits immediately. Plus, you'll receive 200 credits every week just for logging in. If you explore the full workflow of Flova, you'll earn an extra 200 credits as an exploration bonus. Flova also has a referral program. You can invite up to 10 friends, and for every successful referral, you'll get an additional 200 credits. Earning up to 2,000 credits in total equivalent to a $20 starter plan New subscribers even get 100% bonus credits in their first month, doubling your rewards. So, what kind of film will you direct first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I can't wait to see what you create.